Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. Today I'm here with a new video in which I am going to tell you if you are not receiving the notification in your Vivo V23 and V23 5G, then how you can resolve this issue. So if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos, and let's watch the video. So if you are having any issue regarding like you are not receiving the notifications of your different app or your any notification in your Vivo V23 or Vivo V23 5G, you can solve it by the way I am telling. Let's watch the video.